Every year, millions of students walk across graduation stages with degrees in hand. Yet, despite these credentials, many struggle to find their footing in a professional environment that feels increasingly out of reach. Employers face a parallel struggle. Companies often report that while the volume of graduates is high, they cannot find candidates who are actually prepared to handle the daily responsibilities of the job. This diagram shows the disconnect at the root of the problem. It is a gap between academic theory and real-world execution, a distance that intelligence alone cannot bridge. Colleges are built to teach the how, the underlying concepts and formulas, but the workplace demands the why, which includes the specific client expectations and workflow standards that textbooks rarely cover. Bridging this chasm requires more than a new syllabus. It requires the direct intervention of industry veterans who can guide students across three specific professional gaps. The first hurdle is the execution gap. This is where academic knowledge often fails to meet modern industry standards during actual project delivery. Veterans address this by sharing their own project histories. By discussing specific failures and internal lessons, they provide the context that theoretical lectures miss. Mentors also introduce students to the current software and on-site practices used in the industry today, ensuring their technical skills are compatible with current workplace requirements. When an expert reviews a student's work, they identify the technical mistakes and oversights that a professor, focused on grading rubrics, might overlook. These experienced mentors suggest real-world implementations, helping students refine their academic assignments into prototypes that reflect professional standards. This process takes a student who understands the rules and turns them into a graduate who can actually build the product. The second hurdle is the professionalism gap, which shifts the focus from technical skill toward the behavioral realities of a high-stakes workplace. Technical competence is ineffective if a graduate cannot function within a team or navigate the social dynamics of a corporate environment. Mentors instill foundational business ethics, specifically emphasizing the importance of accountability, strong personal discipline, and professional confidentiality. Veterans help students translate their knowledge into sharp business communication, covering everything from internal email etiquette to formal client interactions. By conducting mock HR and technical interviews, mentors help eliminate candidate jitters while providing immediate, actionable feedback on how to present themselves. Closing this gap ensures that a new hire won't just get through the door, but will successfully integrate into the company culture during their critical first year. This roadmap shows the final hurdle, the trajectory gap. Graduation is a single point that immediately branches into dozens of tangled and confusing paths. Without guidance, students often hit dead ends or waste years in roles that don't align with their skills because they lack a realistic understanding of industry job roles. Mentors provide clarity by mapping out suitable career paths and helping students set realistic goals for certifications and long-term growth. Experts also expand a student's professional reach by introducing them to networks, alumni connections, and specific internship opportunities. Finally, mentors emphasize the habit of continuous learning, directing students toward the industry journals and online communities that will keep their skills relevant as technology evolves. Addressing this gap gives students a resilient, long-term roadmap, instead of leaving them to hunt for an entry-level paycheck without a plan. Examining the industry as a whole shows that this mentorship model produces measurable results rather than serving as a simple act of charity. This chart compares the financial impact of onboarding. Mentored graduates reach productivity benchmarks faster and require less initial training, directly reducing overhead costs. Universities see a similar return. Better placement records improve the institution's reputation, attracting higher quality students and strengthening industry ties. For industry veterans, these contributions are manageable. Even a single hour of monthly mentoring provides the targeted redirection and professional polish that a student needs to start thinking like a professional. The projects an industry veteran builds are only part of their career. Their influence truly extends through the future professionals they help create.